Hi guys, what's up, it's your girl Charla from That Girl Cooks Healthy. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this really simple vegan friendly carrot cake porridge. You get all the taste of carrot cake instead in a breakfast bowl. I cannot wait to show you guys how to make it, so let's get to it. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need some plant-based milk. I'm using almond milk because almond milk tends to be more of a neutral tasting milk rather than using something like coconut milk. So I would recommend using almond milk for this recipe, but you can use coconut milk for a creamier consistency. I also have 2 lots of grated carrots, some walnuts, almond butter, but you can use peanut butter instead if you want to, some maple syrup, some oats. So I'm using the oats that are quite fine. I think there are the instant or quick oats that I'm using, but I'm not using the rolled oats, I know that much. You're also going to need some raisins, a small amount of water, some spices. So I have cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger and pink salt, and also some orange extract as well. So I have a medium-sized saucepan, and the first thing you need to do is to just pour the water in, and we're also going to pour the almond milk in, and we just want it to heat up. So I have it on high heat, so you want to get it to a point where it's almost boiling. So I'm just going to hover my hand over the pan, and yes, it's nice and hot. So I'm going to reduce the heat now to about medium, and what I'm going to do now is just add my oats, and then I'm going to add my almond butter followed by my raisins, and then I'm going to add the grated carrot. What you need to do now is you just need to continually stir. So you want to stir until the oats become thick, it becomes oatmeal. So it's going to take about, say, 5 to 7 minutes of just continuous stirring until it thickens up. If it thickens up too much, then add a splash of almond milk or water to loosen it up. So this is what it looks like after stirring for several minutes. So it's nice and thick. So I'm just going to add my orange extract, then I'm going to add my spices, so my cinnamon, my nutmeg, ginger and pink salt, and then I'm just going to drizzle in some maple syrup to taste. So this is what it looks like once it's completely cooked through. So I'm just going to just zoom in and show you guys. It's nice and thick, and it has like a mustard colored hull. So the only thing you need to do now is to just grab a bowl and just pour that delicious hot, piping hot porridge into a bowl, and then you can just top it with your optional toppings. I topped mine with walnuts. I also topped it with some grated carrots and some more raisins, and I drizzled a little bit more maple syrup on top as well. And trust me, it tastes like it's very similar to a carrot cake, but a porridge version. It's a really nice recipe. It's gluten-free, vegan friendly, dairy free, everything you need in a bowl of porridge, and it's also different from the regular oatmeal that you make as well. So I do hope you make this recipe. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you on the other side.